Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And so for today's video, basically I wanted to talk about something that's really cool that's coming to Android. And I think that a lot of Android users who knows about this type of file sharing has been waiting for something like this for some time. And yeah, so we're talking about Android's Nearby Share. Now, if you haven't heard about this, don't worry about it. I was pretty much in the dark about its progression. I knew that Google was eventually going to make something very similar, and the services that I'm talking about that it's similar to is iOS's AirDrop. And so that is one of the things that we've known for a long time when it came to those people who were using iPhones and they were looking at Android as a possible jump just to try something new, something refreshing. But one of the things that they were really concerned about was the fact that Android didn't have anything very similar to AirDrop. AirDrop is something that seamlessly works on iOS. You can easily, take files from your iPhone. You can AirDrop it to your MacBook. You can AirDrop it to your iPad. You can AirDrop it to another iPhone. Very easy. You don't have to do all these these hookups and connections like if you were to Bluetooth files across, or if you were to use Wi-Fi Direct, which is a little bit faster than Bluetooth. This one just made it like it was seamless. Like as soon as you connected and you selected the file that you wanted to share, and like it just easily dropped. Hence the name AirDrop. Google hasn't really had anything like this. I mean, the closest that it's had before was Android Beam, but that was utilizing NFC, touch the back of the phone's tap, and it sends. We've never really had anything that just like seamlessly transfer things over pretty quickly until now. And Nearby Share is not fully available yet on Android. It is still in beta. It's still being tested out. There's a video link in the description to XDA where they demo Nearby Share between the Pixel 4 and a Pixel 2 XL sharing files. Now, some of the things that you guys want to know about this is that there are various options that you can choose according to what I've been reading up on. You can choose Wi-Fi as the method to send, and it does not need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. So you can be connected to one Wi-Fi network, the other device can be connected to another Wi-Fi network. It'll still share. There's offline, and then there's mobile data. So you can seamlessly choose either one of the three. Mobile, well, offline, I'm not entirely sure what that's utilizing, if that's utilizing Bluetooth rather than Wi-Fi or mobile data. That's the only thing I could think of that comes to mind if you were to select offline. Would it actually utilize Bluetooth to send, as Bluetooth has gotten better over time. I believe right now we're at Bluetooth 5.0, which is a little bit faster in file sharing. However, yeah, so now it looks like that Android will have its own version of what AirDrop is on iOS, which is actually pretty cool. It's something that a lot of people wanted. It's something that iOS users who wanted to try out Android wanted something like this, as they utilize it on iOS quite often, and so it's something that they would need, especially if they're using their phone for work and for personal use. Something definitely that they would want to be able to just seamlessly transfer files and documents over to another device. And I'm kind of interested in seeing the development of this. I would love to see a demo where you could nearby share with another Android device, nearby share with the Chromebook. That would actually be pretty cool to see. So anyways, guys, link in the description to the video from XDA. You guys want to definitely go check that out. And you guys can also read up on it. Just, look for Google Nearby Share, and you can read up articles written about it from various different platforms that have already typed up articles. It's actually some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, I can't wait till this thing's ready for us to start using. It looks pretty good, honestly. And you guys will see in the video just how well it works. That's actually pretty cool. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button to let me know. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. I would really appreciate that. The bell icon to be notified when I do upload videos. And as always, aloha.